and today we're gonna unbox DIY candle maker. So we made another toy. This is from Singapore, and now we have to open this, but they have plastic wrap. But first we have to cut it with scissors. But children, be careful because this is sharp and it might hurt you, and you need adults' permission to help you cut it. So mom's with me, so she's gonna cut with me. She's gonna cut it with me. So okay, let's open this.
No.
She's gonna cut it for me, so I can open it. She's gonna cut that edge right there. I think that's enough. Now we can cut it.
Okay, you can open it.
Now, okay. My candles. Oh my gosh, candles. Oh. It's still more. Oh. Okay. Bye, trash. Now we're gonna open this. Hope we need everything. Okay. Oh. Where do we open it?
Yeah.
No. We open it like this. Oh my. Why does this such a big box? Oh, Mom, don't hold it like that.
Actually, they says like 8 years old plus.
But
How
I'm
about
only
you?
6. But it's okay because oh my! How much stuff has I put in here?
You need to review first.
We have a lot of shapes to put in. Oh, there's a manual too. Let's put the shapes on the side on the box over here. And we're gonna put this. We don't need this. Oh, fruit coloring and smells. Oh, it's not fruit coloring. It's powder.
Oh,
It's powder.
and this warning. So the kid need to do with mom and dad.
Yeah, you cannot eat this, children. And this is where you don't spill it, I think, or some kind of box or something. I'm not sure. And these are some toppings, I think, and you should not be eating this, okay? I don't know why it's this, but you do not eat it. And spoons and cups, I think. And what's this? Oh,
Is the pets.
for us not to spill on our thingy.
So
Okay.
we will start to do it.
Move on. Now we're back. Now we're with safety because we have noticed it's chemical, so we have to wear gloves.
Okay.
These gloves are too big to fit my hands. A bit too big. Now, first we have to add this
Okay, first thing
into
first,
this.
I will cut.
Yeah.
So you hold this.
Okay.
You hold this.
Okay.
Hold like this.
You're cutting the chemical. You're also cutting the chemical. You notice that? Okay. God. Okay. Now we're gonna stretch
You
away.
open this one.
Wait, can I get my gloves off?
No, we're not.
Just kidding. Okay, we have to do this. Open it up. Open it up! Somebody, can you help me, please? Okay, now we got it. Now let's get a spoon, and now let's scrape it up and put it in the cup. Okay. About 1, 2. Oh, that's big! 1, 2 inches. About 1, 2 inches? Okay.
How many color we gonna do? We will do the layer or not?
I'm gonna make purple, I think. We will do 2 layers today.
So we need to put the first layer on.
Okay, so let's close this up.
Okay, we will make it warm and then we will come back.
Okay, melt the candles, and now we're gonna add this powder in.
Okay, just push the powder in.
Just a little bit. Is that enough?
Okay, we
Let's
need to stir it. Okay. Slowly.
Otherwise it will be hot, and oh, that's not enough. And Let's add a little bit more powder. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. Okay, now we're gonna add this. But
Yes, it's a purple.
We're not gonna pour it, but we're gonna use this.
Yes. Little. Yes, too much. Okay.
Okay,
And put in here.
just a little bit more. It's like
Yeah.
it's actually strawberry smell, and now we're gonna stir it.
Oh, we smell it.
Smells good.
Can you hold this one for mommy? I will help. Okay, to stir it. We
But
need
you're-
to put some hot water outside. Because we are in the
You
air
wanna add
conditioned.
glitter?
This will melt. No, I think the glitter should be on top.
Yeah, but this is a candle, so
So we pull in the pin.
yeah.
Okay.
Ay!
Oh.
He's silly, mommy. Never mind, we can still use that.
Yeah, okay. Pull it out carefully. Oh, this one is
Not good to stick on our hands.
okay.
Never
We
mind.
will do it quickly.
Let's pour it. Pour it, quick.
Okay, this is the first layer.
We're gonna do a second layer after this. We have to
Okay,
make
and-
some more candles.
Yes, we will make some more candle.
Yeah,
And let's
so
see. We come back.
I'm gonna put the string on so it
Okay.
will not.
Okay.
It is a candle, so we have to have a
Mm-mm.
string.
Yeah.
What candle does not have a string?
No, it's not be the candle. Okay, and now
We're
we
gonna do
melt.
the
We melt
second
another.
layer.
Yeah, we melt another layer.
We're gonna put glitter on the top lastly.
Yes, and next will be blue colors.
Yellow is for the next time. We can
Okay.
also make bath bombs with these.
Okay.
Now we're back to the second layer. It's gonna be blue. So we're at the powder in. Add the powder. Come on, add the powder.
Okay, stir it.
Stir it now. Quick.
And where
quick.
is the perfume?
The perfume's down there, I think.
And okay, we need to open the perfume.
Okay, that's
you
stir.
stir it. You stir it.
Here, we're gonna stir it quickly.
And I will put some.
Perfume in. Just insy bincy drops. Just insy bincy drops.
Okay.
Insy bincy drops.
Just stir it.
I'm gonna stir it until it's going to be melted.
It's melt.
Yeah, I already melted, but there's still a big
Oh,
ball in there. So now we're gonna add in this one.
yeah.
Okay.
We will stir a little bit.
We have to bring it out of the cup now.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's pour it. Hope not gonna smell bad. Hope it's not gonna smell bad.
Okay.
How do we pour this?
Now, can you hold the camera for mommy? Look, hold the camera like here.
How?
Okay. Mommy will stir.
I'm going to stir it. She's going to stir it.
No, we need to put like this way only.
Okay, and let's put it like that. Now we're gonna pour it. Oh, that's hot. a little bit
A
hot.
little bit hot.
Oh, we just forgot something. This is the grip.
Okay,
Gift
can you hold
wrapper.
the camera for mommy like this? Just like this. Only like this.
Well, that's a lot of. Mom, quickly, it's going to dry.
Oh, it's because it's not melt properly, I think.
Yeah, so that's why. It didn't melt it properly. Now it's like ice cream.
No, we need to put in here.
Quickly. Come on, it's already drying. Next, we're going to add the glitter. Ooh, I like this glitter. Oopsies, we just made a big mess. Mom, this is the gift wrapper, so
Yeah.
just made a mess on the gift
So-
wrapper. But it's now we got our blue color,
Okay.
and this is already almost dry, and we have to do it again
Okay.
because it's an
You need
it
to
did
hold
not
the
melt.
camera here.
It's
Okay.
right over there.
Yep. And we will put some more powder.
Yeah, to make it more blue.
And some more fragrance.
Add some more perfume to make it more smell good. And now stir.
Yeah.
Now we're get rid of all the candles that are dry
Yeah.
stuck on the
Okay,
sides.
quickly.
It's really dry over there. It's dry already, but it looks a bit
Yeah.
it looks a bit poofy. So now let's pour it in. Pour it in there. Pour.
Oh.
Ah, it's dripping. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, that's much better than it was poofy. Okay. It's not soap, you guys, so don't
Oh, so you need to decorate with
Yeah,
the glitter.
glitter. Please do not make my hands dirty.
Wetting. Oh, we do like this.
Please do not make my hands dirty. Ah! Okay, now let's use a spoon instead of our hands.
Little.
Okay, that's almost there. Why is our candle like this?
Okay.
Hold that. We have to hold it.
Well,
Otherwise.
we need to put like here. It's okay.
Okay, let's add a little bit more glitter. Why is this thing in place?
Because you did not use your hand. Okay.
Okay.
Finish. And we need to wait about 2 hours.
Yeah, 2
And
hours.
then let's
We're gonna
see.
come back.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. It has been 2 hours, and now look at our candle. Now we're gonna take this off. Okay. We're not gonna pull it. Oh, wow. We did 2 layers, as you haven't seen. Oh, it's still a little bit wet over here, but it's okay. That's beautiful.
So you will give this one to Granny, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to my grandma because she always worked hard and take care of me.
Okay.
And this is the other one that we made, but it's not set up yet. Look at it now. It looks
not
messy.
finished.
Not finished yet.
So we need to make a box for Granny.
Yeah, with this.
Okay.
How do we make it? Let's make the box.
Okay. And
No,
then
no,
we will
sure.
see. And you give to Granny, okay?
Okay. Everyone, today's the day that we're gonna give our candle that we made yesterday to Granny because I'm in another house now, so I can give it to Granny. Granny, here you go. You like it?
Thank you. กอดคุณย่าก่อนแล้วกอดคุณย่าก่อน
It's a little bit glittery over here.